Here I am today, and I wanted to show you a real quick little project that is great for this time of year. It's a tiny little treat basket. And so this is perfect to just put a few little sweets in to give to somebody. So it's just teeny tiny. Look how little it is. So, it's perfect for your springtime celebrations, Easter, Mother's Day, May Day, any kind of maybe bridal showers or baby showers. And look, you can put just a few little things in there. You don't even need that much to fill it up. So that's kind of handy too. All you need is a 6x6 piece of paper and a strip that is 8.5 long by 1 inch wide. And I cut this out of a 12x12 piece, but you could easily just do it out of a regular size sheet of paper. In fact, if you were gonna do, if you didn't even have matching, you had a coordinating piece of paper, you could get 4 of these out of a 12x12 piece of paper and then just use something coordinating for the handle. But I'll show you what we're gonna do. You're gonna be so surprised how easy this is. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're going to score it at 2 inches all the way around. So score on the side that you want to be your side showing, because you always want to fold your paper away from that score line, and that helps to keep the paper from cracking. So 2 inches all the way around. Now look, wasn't that easy? That's so easy. Let me set this down out of the way. Oh, wait, let me put this back on here so I don't lose it. I love that that has a little spot for the stylus. Okay, now go ahead and fold your paper on all these score lines, each of the directions, all 4 sides. And you might want to pick a paper too. While I'm thinking about it, I'll let you know that you might want to pick a paper that is that doesn't have a direction on it, because as you make your basket, part of it would be upside down if you use a paper that has a direction on one side or the other. So now all we're going to do, I'm going to fold it on this side. I'll cut on this side so you can see the score lines a little bit better, I think. So all you're going to do is cut up here, cut at the score line, straight up to that next score line, and then flip it around 180 degrees. So on your opposite side, you want to snip up again to that score line. Okay, now then you're just going to fold these up, and what else we want to do is you're going to need a couple of little brads, and I've got these. I've had these forever, and they are just teensy tiny. You could use bigger brads. I just happen to have some of these. And so first I'm going to punch holes in my paper, and I just want to use, if you've got a crocodile, it's got two sizes of holes, and I'm going to use this smaller one. And I'm just going to go in here. It's probably up about 1/2 inch, I would say. So don't get it too close to the bottom edge. Okay, now then, all you want to do is take this where you've got your little flaps, put one flap in, pull the other 2 up here until the corners meet. And when you've got those meeting right there, you just want to reach in here, and I would say go down about 1 inch, because you want to make sure that you are you want to make sure that you have poked a hole in this other, in the inside flap as well. I barely got that one in there. But that's okay. It's not going to go anywhere anyway. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this little brad through here. These are so tiny. Almost wish I had something bigger. And then just pry your little legs apart on the brad. And then again, on the other side, pull them up to the corners. And just, I gotta make sure I got the small size. And reach back in here. Go straight down. Got that one a little bit better. I made it try to go down a little farther. And then just poke that over there. Hold it over. Put your little brad in. Isn't this easy? And it doesn't even hardly take anything. But think how cute that would be. Just something, you know, something sweet to give somebody. Just a, you know, just kind of a little acknowledgement. Look how easy. Look how cute that is. And then I just had, you could just take some shred. I didn't have any shred on hand to show you. And so I just, I cut some paper and I have a crimper that I've had for a million years. And just put that in there. And look how cute that would be with just a few little candies. And so quick and easy. I mean, you know, we always say that there's projects that are fast, but this one really is fast. So you could, you know, make some of these, have them for whatever you need them for, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for stopping by.